Hey, what's up YouTube? This is FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now this case is made by Dretal. Haven't used their cases before, but we're going to check it out and see what it's all about. Let's get to it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Dretal for Google Pixel 7 Pro case. This is the tempered glass screen protector, so it's got come with a screen protector. Didn't know that, but it does. Shock absorption, flexible soft TPU, carbon fiber protective cover. All right, this is the black version. You can get them in different colors. You get them in gray. You see that, navy and red. All right, I got the black one, $9.88. So to come with a screen protector, that's pretty good, under 10 bucks. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and check this out and see what it's all about. There's a couple of pictures right there. Looks like it's pretty good. Soft TPU. And nice and slim. But we're going to check this out, and I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now here's the packaging, pretty simple packaging right here. Case, mobile, the new case, not much on there. Pretty easy to open. So we got a little foam inside. And this is the screen protector, cloth, and everything you need to do, everything you need to put that on. Now, I'm not going to use that because I don't use screen protectors, but that's good. It comes with it. So a nice, sturdy screen protector right there, as you can see. Tempered glass. That's pretty cool. And it's curved and everything. So, but I'm not going to use that right there. All right. But that's cool to know that it comes with it. I didn't know that when I ordered it, but that's pretty cool. Let's put this in here and get it out of the way. Okay, so here's the case right here. Now, you got the camera area. It's got a nice shiny insert inside. It's detailed, and it's raised up. It's going to be covered right there. You got a little carbon fiber pattern on the top right here, and a brush, kind of like a brush look on the back. Bottom down here, shiny carbon fiber look. You got the power button and the volume down button right there, a little open right there. You got some other details right there, shiny details on the corners. Opening for the charging port and your speakers right there. And nothing on this side, just a little more detail there. You got your mic opening, and you got an opening for the millimeter wave opening right there. Little pattern inside to help with shock absorption. And you can see right there, everything should look pretty good. Now we're going to see how this looks when you put the device on. It's a thin case, kind of slim, and offers minimal protection, look like, but soft, and doesn't feel too slippery. Let's check it out, see what it's like when the phone gets inside, all right? Okay, so this is the Pixel 7 Pro right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside and see how it looks. All right, so it fits pretty good, nice and slim, as you can see. Camera's well protected there, no problem with the camera. And, all your openings line up. You see the mic hole right there. Everything lines up on the bottom, no problem there. And your power button works. Nice, no problem. And it's got a slim feel. And you can get your hand around that, no problem, because it's not big or anything. On the lip, you got a little bit of lip on the front, and on the top and the sides. This comes up nicely. Not too high, but it comes up high enough, so you might get some protection there. But this is the, and it doesn't feel too slippery, so it feels pretty good in the hand, okay? Got a little bit, the sides are smooth, and they're kind of matte-like, so they're not too slippery, so that's pretty good. Now we're gonna check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, so here's the wireless charger. Put this on. Okay, so it picks up wireless charge, no problem. Let's stand it up. Okay, so I picked up wireless charger there. Let's lay it down. Picked up wireless charge laying down as well. So it charges in all positions. No problem. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Dretal case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. All right, it's a nice case, under 10 bucks, so it's worth it. I think it's going to do a good job of minor drops and scratch protection. Plus, you get a screen protector with it. Tempered glass, that's pretty good. You can't beat that. I'm not going to use that. So I can't tell you what quality is when you put it on, but it felt pretty good when I had it in my hand. All right. Now, if you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.